Well, I tell you, originally our design plans called for projection TVs. I got to visit another product center in the United States. I walked in and I saw one of the screens on the Neoverse. So I know I had seen it at Bowl Expo, but to see it in real life was just really I was in awe. I was in awe, and I got to spend the day with the product specialist. I got to spend the day with the owner of that facility, and the wow factor just really popped out at me. I wouldn't change it for anything right now, because that is a huge wow factor when people walk in. Well, with the results of Neoverse, I think people with that wow factor, they understand that this is more than just bowling. They're getting an experience. They're getting an entertainment experience as well as bowling, because we also have our hyper bowling, and we have all of the other skill games that will come along with what QubicaAMF has to offer. And so the Neoverse just adds that extra wow factor that people they enjoy being in the environment, because it's just a neat environment. It's not your typical old dingy bowling alley. We're getting more of that younger crowd coming in because it's new, it's high tech, and it's different. From an operational standpoint, I don't have to worry about the masking units get dirty or broken or anything else in that respect. I really like the ease of how maintenance-free it really is. I'm just over the moon on how well it's working for us. And it's that wow factor. It's that high tech. They're coming into a center and they get to see something different that they have never, quite honestly, ever seen in a bowling alley. Other than it being interactive, it's just wow. I mean, you come up on the bowling lanes and you see something change. It's just wow. People are really, really impressed. They can't believe what they're seeing, quite honestly, as they look at it.